नमस्कार. तुम्ही पाहतात गोमंतक टीव्ही आणि तुम्ही पाहतात स्वयंपूर्ण युवा विथ प्रोफेसर मनोज कामत. आणि तुम्ही जाणाच हांव प्रोफेसर मनोज कामत आणि म्हज्या फुड्यांत म्हज्या बरोबर आमच्या सांगाताक आसात असोच एक स्वयंपूर्ण युवा जाचें नांव डेनियल बाब हिरेमठ. डेनियल बाब हिरेमठ एक वेगळी केस स्टडी ठरपाक शकता आजच्या तरणाट्यांक. अवघ्या 30-32 वर्सांचो भुरगो आज फंक्शन जंक्शन नावाची इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनी स्वतःच्या खांद्यार स्वतःच्या भुजार सगळी जबाबदारी घेऊन ते चलयतात. बरोबर 10-12 लोक काम करतात. त्या 10-12 लोकांक कमीच कमी 35,000 आणि चढत तर 1.25 लाख रुपया प्रति महिना असो पगार ते दितात. फंक्शन जंक्शनाचे मालक आणि चालक डेनियल हिरेमठ आज आमच्या सांगाताक आसात आणि आज ते सांगतले आपली काणी स्वयंपूर्णतेकडे वचपाची. आणि तुम्ही पळयतात ह्या एपिसोडात वेगवेगळ्या भागात दर आठवड्याक दर सोमारा 7:30 वरांचेर आमची तुमकां ओळख करून दितात असो एक स्वयंपूर्ण युवा जाणे नोकरीच्या फाटी न धावता स्वतःचो उद्योग धंदो उबारून दुसऱ्याक नोकऱ्यो दिल्यो. जाणे गोंय व्हड करपाक गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण करपाक आपल्या उद्योजकतेंत गोंयाक मदत केली. जाणे लोकांक स्वयंपूर्णतेचे धडे दिले आणि असोच आज धडो घेवपाक आमी आसात बाब डेनियल हिरेमठ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for having me over. It's truly an honor to be there, to be here this morning.
Daniel, the honor is on our side too, and we are indeed happy, and we are appreciative of your good work you have done.
Thank you so much.
Daniel बाबान जे काम केला अतुलनीय काम केला. 2016-17 सालाक अवघ्या 50,000 रुपया आपली बचत, ताच्या पयलीं ताणें नोकरी केली, आपल्या बचतीच्या 50,000 रुपयाचेर आणि सगळे जे लायसन्स बिसन्स सगळे काडटकूच अवघे 5,000 रुपया ताच्या हातान उरले अशें ते सांगतात. आणि 5,000ची पुंजी, 5,000ची गंगाजळी, 5,000चे भांडवल हाच्या जोऱ्याचेर फंक्शन जंक्शन नावाचो येदो व्हडलो एंटरप्रायज आज गोंयांत उबो जालो. आज ताचे क्लायंट महिंद्रा, डेल कंपनी, एशियन पेंट्स सारखे व्हडले कंपनीज, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवाचे वेगवेगळे डिपार्टमेंट्साक ते काम करतात. गोंयांत, मिडल इस्टांत, श्रीलंकेक तांचे क्लायंट्स आसात. आणि येदो व्हडलो व्याप सांबाळपी डेनियल बाब हिरेमठ, हाऊ कॅन यू टेल अस अबाउट युअर life story?
Sure, sir. It's generally been it's been a nice story, and I think God has been very gracious in taking me where I am. I think I will really give focus to everybody who's contributed in my life, and it's been a wonderful journey. It started off with me being in college, and my mother was in charge of her cultural team in her institution, so she used to take me with her for a lot of events when I was very young. So that is the time when I really started liking events. But in a way I was always good academically, so I thought that okay, fine, that's a passion, but I will focus towards
अभ्यासार लक्ष दितलो.
Yeah, so I focused towards my education. I first did commerce in Temple College, and when I was there also I was very passionate towards doing events over there.
So सगळे कल्चरल सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम.
Yes. So
केओस नावाचो कार्यक्रम तर सामको गोंयांतलो व्हडलो यूथ festival.
Exactly, absolutely, sir. So when I was there, and chaos was not happening for a couple of years, and there was also a new management in the college. So I went and approached the management, and I presented a plan in terms of, can we do this particular event in this particular manner? And that was also the year wherein the event management course was just getting set in the college. So I presented the plan, and they were very happy. The college really supported me. I was doing commerce. I worked with the event management part of with the students, etc. And for 2 years we hosted a fabulous event, which was.
So कॉलेजात असताना सांस्कृतिक कार्यावळी करताना म्हाका दिसता तुझ्या सांस्कृतिक संबंध एकंदरीत वातावरण आसा ताचे कडेन तुजी जवळीक जाली.
Absolutely.
मागीर बीकॉम जातकूच तूं लॉ कॉलेजान गेलो,
sir.
साळगांवकर लॉ कॉलेजान.
Yes.
थंय शिकता आसतना आनी सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळ्यो मागीर कशें तुवें मेळ
So
घालो?
I was also pursuing my CS at that time, company secretary. So I thought law is something which goes really well with CS. I did my 3-year graduation at Sirgaonkar Law College. After that, even in Sirgaonkar Law College, for every year, I was heading the cultural event.
Wow.
That was
Wow.
Tatva over there. In fact, when I was in my 3rd year, we had it at such a big scale, wherein we were the first law college in India to have a collaboration with Sunburn, and we had Sunburn.
त्या
at
वेळार
one of-
तुवें डिसायड केलें की बाबा इव्हेंटान हांवें दोनूय कॉलेजान पयलीं बीकॉम करतना आनी मागीर लॉ करतना
Yeah.
हांव सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळी इतल्यो करता,
Yeah.
आतां तातूंतच करियर करया म्हणून तेन्ना डिसायड केलें?
No, sir. No, not absolutely. Because I was doing very well academically.
Acha.
And even at law college, I did extremely well academically. After that, I specialized in mediation. So I got my certification as a certified mediator. And I got back to practice. I was practicing with a couple of chambers in Goa. That is when I realized that what I was doing back in my college days was something that gave me much more happiness than what I was doing in the
सुंदर. आज तुम्ही बरं एक आगळी वेगळी काणी आयकतात आणि पळयले आमी हाच्या पयलीं कितलेशे एपिसोडांत अभ्यासान आपूण तितलोसो बरो ना, मागीर पण आपूण धंद्यान गेलो अशें लोक म्हणटात. पण हांगा एक विचित्र गजाल, हांगा एक वेगळी गजाल. हुशार भुरगो, एक अभ्यासात हुशार, कंपनी सेक्रेटरीशीप करपी, बीकॉम बऱ्या पद्दतीन बरे मार्क घेवन पास जावपी, फुडें लॉ कॉलेजान बरे मार्क घेवन अव्वल येवपी भुरगो, लॉ जाल्यानंतर, बीकॉम जाल्यानंतर, लॉ जाल्यानंतर मिडिएशन, आर्बिट्रेशन अँड मिडिएशन हाच्या भितर सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स करून लॉ चेंबरान प्रॅक्टीस करपी, सायड बाय सायड कंपनी सेक्रेटरीशीप हो प्रोफेशनल कोर्स सुद्धा चालू करपी भुरगो, थोड्या वर्सां प्रॅक्टीस केल्यानंतर, थोड्या वर्सां चेंबर्सांत नोकरी केल्यानंतर, व्हडल्या वकिलां बरोबर काम केल्यानंतर, पगारदार नोकर जाल्यानंतर मदीं दिसलें की अरे आपूण कॉलेजाच्या वेळाचेर भुरगेपणांत, तरुणपणांत, युवा आनिकूय सामको खर युवा आसतना सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळींनी भाग घेतालो, सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळीचें आयोजन करतालो. खरो रस म्हाका तातूंत आसा, हांव हातूंतूय बरो आसा अभ्यासांत, पण आतां करियर चेंज करुया. सो आय थिंक दॅट वॉज युअर टर्निंग पॉयंट.
Absolutely, but it was also a very difficult decision, sir, because I had spent so much time in studying
बरोबर, आणि हुशार
educating
भुरगो.
myself. Yes, and I was doing well. I mean, in a
आणि
way.
हांवें कितें म्हणलें, अरे हे हुशारी सोडटा, लॉ सोडटा, आर्बिट्रेशनान बरो करियर आणि आतां धंद्यान कित्याक
Yeah, so I
घुसता?
had to hear a lot from actually more of my family, friends, and everybody.
Not from your mother.
Not from my mother.
Arre wah.
My mother was very, very supportive about it. Everybody was like, my mother. I'm a single mother. I lost my father when I was 2 years old, and I was brought up by my mother itself. So they're like, you have a responsibility towards your mother. What are you doing? But when I went to my mother and when I told her that this is what I want to do, the only thing that she told me was, if this is something that gives you happiness, give it your best, and whatever you're doing, just give it your best. You'll definitely find success in what you're doing.
आज तुम्ही हांव तुमकां सुरवातीच्यान सांगतालो की एक वेगळी केस स्टडी ह्या भुरग्याची आणि एक वेगळे एक अध्याय, वेगळे एक एग्जाम्पल आमी लोकांच्या फुड्यान दवरतात. एक हुशार भुरगो बीकॉम जातकूच लॉ करता, लॉ बरो करून आर्बिट्रेशनान सर्टिफिकेशन करता, कंपनी सेक्रेटरीशीप करता, वकिला अंडर काम करता, नोकरी करता, आणि आवय जी एक सामकी खंबीर अस्तुरी. डेनियल बाब सांगतात 2 वर्सां तो आसतना ताचे वडील गेले, वडिलाची छत्रछाया गेली, आवय ताची इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंटान टीचर आसा, म्हणजे पगारदार आसा. एक सिंगल मदर, एक 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 अस्तुरी एकट्या भुरग्याक, आणि एकुलतो एक चलो, ताका रेस करता, ताका वाडयता, शिकयता, तो भुरगो हुशार ठरता, तो भुरगो नोकरी करता, बऱ्या पद्दतीन करियर ताच्या नोकरीच्या क्षेत्रान आसतना ताका ह्या भुरग्याक ताचे भूतकाळ याद जाता. आपूण सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळीचें आयोजन आणि तातूंत भाग घेवपाक आपूण अव्वल, ती आपली आवड. हांव हें सगळें सोडून धंद्यान घुसता, इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनी करपाक. त्या वेळाचेर ती माय, ती सायबीण, ती अस्तुरी हाच्या फाटल्यान खंबीरपणान उबे रावता. म्हणून आज सलाम आमी मारतात स्वयंपूर्ण युवा च्या माध्यमांतल्यान ताच्या आवयक, जाणें एक युवा उद्योजक घडोवपाक खंबीरपणान ताची पाठराखण केली, ताका फुडें धाडलो. आणि होच विशय आमी सगळ्या गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या दर्शकां पर्यंत व्हरया. तुमचो चलो, तुमची चली, तुमची भुरगीं जर कितें करूंक जर सोदता जर जायत आनी जर तांचो हावेस कितें करून दाखोवपाचो जर आसत जर जायत जाल्यार तांच्या फाटल्यान खंबीरपणान उबे रावात. तातूंतलो एक भुरगो डेनियल हिरेमठ जावंक शकता. Daniel, very interesting story about your resilient mother who stood besides you and then she saw to it that you establish your stronghold in the business.
Absolutely. I think whatever I am today is because of the support system that my mother provided me and my wife. Yeah, absolutely.
Beautiful. Yeah. So, आता मागीर धंदो सुरुवात करताना आणि इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटान घुसताना तुवें पयली इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटाच्या कंपनीनूय कोणा बरोबर तरी काम केलें सुरवात.
Yes, sir. So after I decided that I wanted to quit my law career, I only decided that I think it'll be very right for me to get an experience of what it is to work. So I knew people in the event management field in Goa because, as I mentioned to you, in college I used to do a lot of events. So I approached one of them. They were very happy to have me on board. They were like, can you please handle the legal aspect of the company? I was like, okay, fine, I'll handle that, but please do allow me to work in events too. So I did that. Then I realized that I think this is something which
कितलो वेळ काम केलें थंय?
So I was there with that company for about 6 to 8 months.
But पगार कितलो मेळटालो?
So there I was getting about, when I started off it was at 25,000. By the time I was leaving it was at about 40.
आणि 6 महिन्या भितर 25,000 ते 40,000 रुपयाचो ग्रोथ पगारान तुवें पळयलो. बट तूं नोकरेंत आयिल्लो इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनीन धंदो आपूण करतलो म्हणून.
Yes, absolutely. I was very clear in terms of what I wanted to do. And then I realized that maybe the organization that I was with, the working style was very different from what I would really want the working style to be. So then I realized that I do have the right knowledge. At that point of time, I realized that I have the requisite knowledge that I need to be having. I moved out and I was fortunate enough to pick up some really good projects on my own.
इन्व्हेस्टमेंटाचे कितें? धंदो करता जाल्यार भांडवल जाय आणि तू तर फक्त नोकरी करतालो.
Correct. So I had very limited amount with me at that point of time. So to be very honest, like you mentioned, I had only 50,000.
50,000.
Yes. And I was like, how do I make this happen? So I did a little bit of research that the trade license is going to cost me so much. Yeah. So I went and I first focused on getting my trade license. I worked with one friend of mine who was the chief designer at Times of India, Sharmila. And she designed a lovely website for me and
designs, visiting cards,
everything. I did all of that. I focused on getting my GST registration done, because that gives you authenticity. And I reached out to the people who.
उरले कितले पैसे 50 पैकी?
5,000.
5,000 रुपया. 5,000 रुपयान धंदो सुरू केलो. 50,000 रुपया जी सेविंग आपली गंगाजळी आपल्या त्या सेविंगांतल्यान सगळे जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन केले, ट्रेड लायसन्स घेतले, विजिटिंग कार्ड केले, वेबसायट केली, हे सगळे करून 5,000 रुपयान हो बीकॉम LLB हुशार भुरगो मेडिएशन करपी वकील जावपी वकील जाल्लो आणि इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनीन 6 महिन्या भितर 25,000 सुरवात करून 40,000 पर्यंत मजल मारपी हो भुरगो आता धंद्यान शिरता. 5,000 रुपया फाटल्यान पाठबळ त्या आवयचें, त्या अस्तुरेचें, त्या सायबिणीचें. पळयात जिद्द कशी आसता. पळयात एका विशयान आवड जर तुमकां जर आसत, पॅशन जर आसत, इंट्रस्ट जर आसत, तो भुरगो कितें करूंक शकता. पळयात करियर गोल आणि क्लियर गोल मनात जर योग्य विचार आणि त्या दृश्टीन ताणें नोकरी सोडली, त्या दृश्टीन ताणें इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनी भितर सरलो, अनुभव घेतलो 6-7 महिने आणि हो भुरगो फंक्शन जंक्शन नावाचें आस्थापन हो सुरू करता. सुरवातीक clients कशे मेळ्ळे आणि who are your clients now?
Absolutely, sir. So before I had just registered my company, and in that interim from when I had left, there was a gap of about 5 months. And in that 5 months, I was very fortunate enough that there were certain projects that came up, and they were big projects. It came on my portfolio. Goa was hosting the FIFA Under-17 World Cup, and I had a few people who I knew and they wanted a reliable person to be handling the entire event. They got in touch with me and I got that executed with another partner company. Wow. Even the first bird festival of Goa, I was the person who was heading that project and leading that project, and I got that executed. so I had something on my profile to show when I started off with my company. I reached out, I kept sending emails. It was very difficult at the start, but I didn't give up. I kept approaching, I sent everybody who I knew. I should literally go through my phone and see what contacts I can tap to. Keep sending them emails, keep sending them details, reach out. I should personally go and visit every hotel, every salesperson possible. And through that, then I started getting leads.
Kya baat hai?
And I still remember when I got the first event. The client knew me because they had worked with me previously. But I was like, okay, this is my first project. How do I make it happen? I have very limited money with me, but luckily my law career came to help. So I made a very good contract for the client, wherein in the contract it was clearly mentioned in terms of what the payments are going to be. Yes, so it's going to be a 70% advance that I'm getting from you and a 30% after the event. And the 70% was pretty much covering mine. So in that way, yes, I would never say that education never helps you. Education absolutely helps you with everything that you do in your life. So with that, it started off. One event led to another event.
Who are your clients now? Clients?
So today we have Air India as one of our clients. We in fact have done the Air India's heads of all the airports globally. Their conference with the CEO being a part of it. First Source is one of our clients. Evolis, which is a French company, they manufacture PVC card printers. We've done work for them in Sri Lanka. We do work for them pan India. HDFC is one of our clients. Microsoft is one of our clients. So these are few of our
clients list.
Yeah, Siemens is one of our clients.
Siemens, HDFC, Mahindra, Asian Paints. यासारखे क्लायंट्स, एअर इंडिया सारखे क्लायंट्स, फॉरेन कंपनीज ते आज हाताळटात आणि हो 30-32 वर्साचो भुरगो ते करता. हो भुरगो डेनियल हिरेमठ जर करपाक शकता जाल्यार तुमी कित्याक करूंक शकनात. आणि गोंयांत इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट म्हणजे मायस, मिटिंग्स, कॉन्फरन्सीस, एंटरटेनमेंट हातूंत इतलो स्कोप आसा, इतले धंदे आज त्याच भागात म्हणजे इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट हातूंत हो आमचो दुसरो गेस्ट. ताच्या पयलीं आमी उपेंद्र पै रायकर हाका मेळिल्ले जो इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनी चलयता आणि ताणें आकाशान सांगिल्लें की इतलो स्कोप ह्या धंद्या भितर आसा. वॉट इज द स्कोप फॉर न्यू पीपल टू एंटर इन टू बिझनस, वेदर देर इज बिझनस इनफ फॉर यू एज वेल एज देम टू बी इन?
So absolutely, I think Goa being a destination that really attracts a lot of events, I would say that there's immense scope for people to kind of get into it and explore this particular field. But I think you truly need to be passionate towards what you want to do, and you should be having the right focus in terms.
तू कितली मदत करपाक शकता जर कोण ह्या इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटान येवपाक सोदत जाल्यार?
So I am more than happy, sir. In fact, I'm very glad that two of my very own employees have now started their own venture.
Arey, very good.
And in fact, we try and support them as an organization. So whenever we do get something, we try and give them some part of it, so that they are also working through it. So
आता कितले लोक आसा तुझ्या बरोबर काम करपाक?
Sir, right now I think we are a team of 10 members that we have.
आणि तांचे सॅलरी बिल कितले जाता टोटल दर म्हयन्याक?
Close to around 6 lakhs, sir.
अरे वा, सुंदर.
Yeah.
क्लोज जवळ 6 लाख रुपया हो मोडटा दर म्हयन्याक ताच्या एम्प्लॉईसाचेर. आज हिरेमठ बाब, डेनियल बाब आपुणूच जर एक नोकरदार जर आशिल्लो जाल्यार म्हयन्याक 1 लाख रुपया चडांत तर 1.25 लाख रुपया जोडटलो आशिल्लो. 30 वर्साच्या पिरायेचेर 1 लाख 1.25 लाख जोडप म्हणलें व्हडलें आजच्या स्टँडर्ड ऑफ लिव्हिंग हे जर पळयलें जाल्यार. पण पैसे घेवपी न जाता पैसे पगार दिवपी तो जाला. म्हणून आज 6 लाख रुपयाचो पगार आपल्या कामगारांक दिवपाक शकता. म्हणून हांवें म्हणल्यार ही आज इंट्रस्टिंग स्टोरी, हुशार भुरग्याची धंद्यान घुशिल्ल्याची स्टोरी. आणि तो म्हणटा धंद्यात वतकूच सुद्धा आपल्या शिक्षणाचो आपण फायदो जालो. आणि आमी प्रत्येक एपिसोडात हेच सांगतात की जे शिक्षण तुम्ही घेता ते खंयच व्यर्थ वचना, फुकट वचना. त्या शिक्षणाचो योग्य उपयोग योग्य वेळाचेर करून घेवपाची इत्सा जाय, प्रयत्न जाय. हार्ड वर्क is the only key to success.
Absolutely, sir. And I would really reiterate that, because even in my own company, from looking into the accounts, because I come from a commerce background, I was doing my CS, I was pursuing it. I have knowledge about that, so I can guide my accounts team. I know exactly what I'm talking to them about, and relate to it. When it comes to doing proofreads for the contracts that my clients send me, and right now with the kind of clientele that we have, we get into quite intense contracts, detailed contracts with them. I don't really have to rely, I mean, sometimes I do have to rely on a legal team, but most of the time the first proofread is done by me in terms of what the contract is about. So I would always say, and I'd say that to even when I go to other colleges and I speak over there, that education never goes waste. I think education is the key that you can have.
Beautiful.
No matter what, educate yourself. Even today, I feel that even though I am in business, I love to keep educating myself. I keep trying to see on what's the new thing that I can learn, how I can improve myself, how I can maybe, just kind of be a better human and kind of learn something more.
So what are your tips for the people? म्हणजे नव्या उद्योगान येवपाक सोदतात किंवा जे भुरगे आता शिकतात पण तांकां उद्योजक जावपाक जाय जाल्यार ताणें कितें करचें आनी कितें करचें नाही?
So I would say, let's put it down into 3 major things. One is be focused.
म्हणजे लक्ष दवरात, केंद्रित करात.
Have a very clear vision of what you want to do in life. And don't be disheartened if things don't work out.
म्हणजे बारीक गजाल्यो जर चुकल्यो,
yes,
कितें चुकलें, विसरलो or फेल जालें, निराश जावं नये.
Yeah, because failure is a part of life. And if you are not going to see failure, you're not going to grow. And you always, whenever you're focused on something, be focused that I'm going to be there for it in the long run. I'm just not going to try and I'm going to move on. Okay, obviously have your plan A, plan B, plan C, but be ready to be there in a long run. So be focused, have a clear vision with what you want to do. I think the second point I would say would be diligent, be disciplined, and be honest with what you want to do. Because only when you are a person of integrity and when you do something honestly is where you will see even your clients appreciate you.
Sundar.
And want you to be a part of what they are looking at executing.
प्रचंड मेहनत ताका आणि उपाय ना. प्रचंड मेहनती बरोबर आपण जे काम करतात त्याबद्दल विश्वास, आत्मविश्वास असप गरजेचे. आत्मविश्वास असा, प्रचंड मेहनत असा, पूण डिसिप्लिन ना जाल्यार परत काय जावचें ना. म्हणजे सकाळी बेगीन उठप, योग्य वेळाचेर योग्य कामां करप आणि त्या कामाचो ध्यास घेवप. ते काम म्हणजे आपले ध्यास आणि आपलो श्वास अशें जर प्रत्येकान मानले आणि ह्यो 3 गजाली जर लक्षांत दवरल्यो जाल्यार डेनियल बाब म्हणटा खंयचोय सामान्य व्यक्ती हो सामान्य कुटुंबांतल्यानूच आयिल्लो भुरगो, 2 वर्सांच्या पिरायेचेर बापूय ना, अशा परिस्थितीत एक आवय ह्या भुरग्याक सांबाळटा, एकुलतो एक चलो, पूण कुटुंबाची, समाजाची, आपल्या जबाबदारीची जाणीव ह्या भुरग्याक आशिल्ली म्हणून तो अभ्यासान बरो आशिल्लो. म्हणून ताणें बीकॉम करतना, इव्हेंट्स करतना अभ्यासा कडेन दुर्लक्ष करूं ना, लॉ केलें, मिडिएशन केलें. आपले करियर आज फेल जरी जालो जाल्यार आपूण करतलो, अपयशी टल्लो जाल्यारूय आपूण उबारतलो, आपणाक उबारी मेळटली आनी आपूण सक्सेसफूल जातलो. हो एक हावेस भुरग्यांनी जर दवरत जाल्यार स्वयंपूर्ण युवा घडपाक शकता. हे गोमंतक टीव्ही ठासून ठासून तुमकां प्रत्येक वेळा सांगता. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या ह्या सदरा बरोबर जोडून रावात. अशे नवीन काणयो पळोवपाक जे आत्मविश्वासान कोणाचें पाठबळ न आसता आनी हाचे कडेन पयशाचेंय पाठबळ नाशिल्लें. तुवें लोन बीन घेवपाचें चिंतूना.
नो सर.
EDC सारकी स्कीम आसा, चीफ मिनिस्टर्स रोजगार योजना सारकी स्कीम आसा, तू पयस रावलो कित्याक?
So that was plan B.
अच्छा.
First I wanted to make it work. By the third point I was wanting to say, sir, the third point I would like to say is in everything that you do, and this is something that I tell all my team members, and this is a motto for our company, that whichever event that we do, our first focus should be excellence. In executing that event with excellence. Our goal, okay, profit is a very important part of the business, but profits is not our goal. We want to execute each and every event with excellence, and we know that we will automatically grow organically once we do that. But yes, coming back to your question, sir, that was my plan B. In a way that if things don't work well, then I would look at a financial institution or I look at a scheme in terms of seeing on how I could kind of get there. But by God's grace, I didn't really have to get there.
स्कीम घेवप किंवा कोणाची मदत घेवप ह्या बाबतीत सुद्धा आत्मनिर्भर इंडिपेंडंट पर्सन. स्कीम बीम घेवपाक जाय, मेळटा ती, पण ताका वेळ जावंक शकता, ताच्या फाटल्यान लागचें पडटा. पूण ताच्या पयलीं आपल्या कडेन जे प्रयत्न जाता ते सबंद प्रयत्न आपूण करतलो ह्या हावेसान ताणें धंदो सुरू केलो, कोणाच्या मदती शिवाय. खरोच आत्मविश्वासी भुरगो, अनुभवी भुरगो, धन्यान मुरिल्लो भुरगो आज येदो व्हडलो डॉलारो धंद्याचो 5 ते 8 कोटी रुपयाचो वेवसाय तो दर वर्सा करता. आनी आमकां अशेंच दिसता की हाणें फुडें अशीच मजल मारची. 15 कोटी 20 कोटी रुपयापर्यंत धंदो ताचो वाडचो, कारण ह्या भुरग्याच्या दोळ्या भितर आत्मविश्वास आसा, ह्या भुरग्याच्या मनगटा भितर काम करपाची तयारी आसा. शिस्त तर ताका लागल्याच आनी ल्हानपणाच्यान तो शिस्तीन वाडिल्लो भुरगो आज इतल्या सुंदर पद्दतीन आपलो कारभार निभयता. ताच्या अंडर काम करपी भुरगे आज स्वयंपूर्ण जातात. 2-3 लोकांनी स्वताचो उद्योग तयार केला. कशें दिसता तुका? यू फील हॅपी, सॅटिस्फायड? आणि मुख्य म्हणजे आवयक कशें दिसता?
She's very proud, sir. I mean, for us, we always wanted to be a company. When I started off with my career, what I noticed in Goa, a lot of companies were working for other event management companies. But for us as a company, at the very start, like I told you, we wanted to have a vision. Our vision was very clear that we wanted to work for direct clients and direct corporates, because that is where we would see growth. So I'm very fortunate that today we are that. Not only Goa, we've done leadership summits for these companies in Dubai, product launches in Sri Lanka and other places. So yes, it's been a beautiful journey, and I'm very grateful to God. Because without God I would not be where I am.
हे सगळं करताना आम्ही पळयतात की वेगवेगळे अवॉर्ड्स तुका मेळ्ळे.
Yes.
वेगवेगळ्या माध्यमांत, न्यूज पेपर्स, प्रिंट मिडिया, ताणे तुका सामको मोस्ट वन ऑफ द इन्फ्लुएन्शियल पर्सन्स
Yes.
अशेंय तुजें नामांकन केलें. सो सांग तुजे अवॉर्ड्स, रिवॉर्ड्स आणि तुजें अप्रिसिएशन, रेकॉग्निशन खंय खंय मेळ्ळें?
So in 2021 I was covered by Goan Insider as the top 50 most influential people for Goa.
Wow.
Based on the things that we were doing. Very recently for First Source, we had done their global leadership summit in Dubai, wherein all their heads of their companies from all over the globe were coming in for Dubai for the leadership summit, and one of the print medias picked it up and passed it on to print and business standards, etc. So they did an interview with us for a Goan company to be going globally.
Wow.
And kind
and
of working. Yes, it was in Dubai. Yeah, so it came in Middle East. It got covered in India and at different places, etc. Very recently, Times of India last year covered me in the top 20 inspirational entrepreneurs for
लोकल टू ग्लोबल भुरगो कसो जावपाक शकता? लोकल म्हणजे गोंयांतली मिडिया, आंतरराष्ट्रीय मिडिया आज ह्या भुरग्या बद्दल वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इन्फ्लुएन्शियल पर्सन्स इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा म्हणटात. पिराय कितली ह्या भुरग्याची आनी सादेपण कितलें ह्या भुरग्याचें तें पळय. सादेपण येता संस्कारांतल्यान आनी पिराय काय अर्थ उरना जर तुज्या फाटल्यान काम करपाची इत्सा आसत. जे मेळोवप 50-60 वर्सांचेर लोक मेळोवपाक आनी धन्यता मानतात ते ताणें 30-32 वर्साच्या पिरायेचेर आज पर्यंत मेळयला. म्हणजे ती आवय कितली भाग्यवान, ते कुटुंब कितले भाग्यवान, हाचे भुरगे, हाचे मिसेस जी आतां डेंटिस्ट आसा आनी आतां ती हो सामको बिजी आसता, कामान आसता म्हण ती आपलें घर सांबाळटा, भुरगीं सांबाळटा. ती कितली भाग्यवान समजता आसत आपणाक. अशे भाग्यवान आवय बापायक आपलो भुरगो फुडें येवताना पळोवपाकूय कितलें मन भरून येता आसत. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी उलो मारता आमच्या सगळ्या दर्शकांक, आवय बापायक, तुमच्या भुरग्यांक पाठबळ दियात. नोकरी फाटल्यान न धांवता धंदो उबारपाक शिकयात. चुको जातल्यो, खंय तरी चुकतलें, खंय तरी फेल जातलो, जावनी, अपयश येतलें, येवनी, नाउमेद जातलो, जावनी, पण तुमच्या आशिर्वादान, तुमच्या पाठबळान तो भुरगो एक दीस डेनियल हिरेमठ किंवा डेनियल हिरेमठा परस बरो आनी व्हडलो जावंक शकता. आज आमी मेळ्ळे डेनियल बाब हिरेमठाक, चालक आनी मालक फंक्शन जंक्शन ह्या इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनी उबारपी चलोवपी मनशाक. गोंयांतले 20 सामके आघाडीचे भुरगे जे आसात उद्योजक जगताक, तातूंत ताचें एक नांव बऱ्या पद्दतीन उभारी मारून वयर सरला. असोच डेनियल बाब वयर सरचो. स्वयंपूर्ण तर तो जालाच, पूण गोंयाक स्वयंपूर्ण करपाक आनीकूय मदत करपाची, ताच्या हातांतल्यान तशें काम जावचें ही इत्सा आमी प्रगटावया. डेनियल बाब हिरेमठाचें बरें चिंतुया, देवा कडेन बरें मागुया. डेनियल बाब, what is your final takeaway for the viewers of Gomantak TV?
So I think the final takeaway, like I mentioned to you, would be yes, encourage whoever that you would want in your family to take up entrepreneurship. I think there's nothing better than that you could do. Encourage the youth, empower them, and so that they can achieve much more and they can help the other youth of this state to kind of take up work and do better. And whatever you do, focus on excellence and let that be the key that you would want to take.
सुंदर. तुम्ही पाहतात गोमंतक टीव्ही आणि गोमंतक टीव्हीन तुम्ही पाहतात स्वयंपूर्ण युवा विथ प्रोफेसर मनोज कामत. हांव प्रोफेसर मनोज कामत आणि आज आमच्या बरोबर संभाषण केलें बाब डेनियल हिरेमठान, जाणें 30-32 वर्साच्या पिरायेचेर आज गोंयांतले एक उत्कृश्ट आस्थापन उद्योग आस्थापन उबे करपाचो यत्न करून तातूंत ते सक्सेसफूल जाला. ही कवर स्टोरी, ही केस स्टडी तुमकांय लागू पडची, तुम्ही तातूंतल्यान शिकचे ही एक इत्सा गोमंतक टीव्ही प्रकटायता आणि तुम्ही पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही. वाट पळयात फुडल्या सोमारची. असोच एक युवा उद्योजकाक मेळपाची संदी आपण घेवया. धन्यवाद.